Throughout this tutorial, you'll be given assignments to put into practice the skills you learn in each lesson. These assignments will usually come in the form of an EasyT file and a video excerpt. You'll also be given an answer key to check your work, usually as another EasyT file. Once you finish each assignment, you can download the EasyT file to compare what you did to what we suggest. There are two functions in EasyTitles that allow you to check these differences quickly and efficiently. The first one is Compare With. First, open your EasyT project file with your completed work. Then, we'll select File, Compare With. Here you can open any subtitle file, not just EasyT projects. Once you open the answer key, you'll see this side-by-side comparison. We can use the Group By drop-down menu to group the subtitles by number, timecode, or text. The Previous and Next buttons allow you to navigate the differences that were found. You can also click this menu next to Compare to toggle the elements that are being taken into consideration. We can also compare the subtitles visually by using an EasyTitles feature called Secondary Track. With our project open, we'll go to File, Secondary Subtitles Track, Open Import Secondary Subtitles Track. Here as well, you can open any kind of subtitles file, including an EasyT project. Let's open our answer key. As you can see, the subtitles project we just opened appears as a secondary track on the timeline, just above our main subtitles track. You can select each timeline with the mouse and edit it separately. You can also show both tracks on the preview list. Just go to View, Preview List, both subtitles tracks. Now we have the main track on the left and the secondary track on the right. On the main window, you'll see that the subtitles are superimposed. Clicking on a track brings those subtitles to the foreground. Now, as part of this assignment answer key dynamic, we need to adopt some common subtitling guidelines for this course: characters per line, subtitle duration, minimum gap between subtitles, and so on. We're aware that this varies a lot in the real world, depending on your client, or on the platform, or on the medium, but to keep things simple, we'll use the same guidelines for all lessons in this course. You can find these guidelines in a PDF file provided with this lesson, and all of the EasyT files you download throughout this course will be configured according to these guidelines. Well, that's it for preparations. Next lesson, it's time to get busy.